Okay, there we go. The Primetime Crusader. They have gold windows. Let's take the big look. And let's look up top. See anything? By the way, it's a thicker slide box. It's a 2-inch wall laminate. And they use these gold windows. And a rack and pinion slide. The road armor suspension. Lippert auto leveling. As always, prepped for a backup camera. And this is a 2-bedroom rig. There's that generator. So there's one setup. And then you have your second dump here. Another rack and pinion slide. Tankless water heater. Your furnace. Your water hookups. And there's even a little light. Blink. And here's the underbelly. Again, I see no use of PEX lines with flex lines with PEX clamps. You can see how it's built with the welded aluminum or aluminium, depending on where you're from. Here are all your controls, your bat ray, disconnect, all your auto level, all of that. Here's your under there. Don't say underwear. Ah. Denied. Denied. Dual 20 pounds, which are very easy to replace. But I think you could get 30 pounders in there. Now here is the other side. And you have your Road Tech. That is the tire pressure monitoring, by the way. And then you have the Suburban solid steps. All right, let's go inside. Oh, hang on. I got to interrupt for just a second. So you're watching an RV review, right? Are you shopping for a new RV? Because if you are, at stresslesscamping.com, we have a free resource guide for buying new or used RVs. And I used to work at an RV dealership, so they're kind of insider tips. So if you would like some great shopping tips for picking the perfect RV, we have a link in the show notes that'll take you right there, and it's completely free, and so it'll help you with your stressless camping. I like, again, good place for the fuse box, and then the steps have some space for shoes underneath. This has 3 air conditioners, And then you have your just traditional buttons. Okay, check out this kitchen. Not bad, eh? This is your little party trick drawer. And again, look at the good plumbing throughout. I am just really pleased to see. Oh, I saw brass fittings. You have your gadget sink, a huge 4-burner with 2 big burners, and then, you know, your precision burner, and then an enormous oven. And then also a really big nuclear. Nice big cabinets with soft close. And that backsplash really does look nice. It's just, it's not actual tile, but I had to touch it to make sure it's not. Solid surface countertops throughout, which I really like. And then you have your full gadget sink with the extendy faucet. And then a big refrigerator here. This is a 12 volt. But it's every bit as nice as a residential. And these are intended for RV use. So they are... Oh, there's a little... Is there ice moving here? Or are they just ice trays? I think they're just clever little ice trays. I like that. Freeze zone. And then you have a pantry here. There's where you put your junk, including your Walter White hat. There are charge ports all over the place in this trailer. And then you have the mother of all TVs. No, it's just a really big TV. And then actually very comfortable couch, where this seat here is a recliner. And then you have cabinets overhead. That's where you put your games, because nobody ever plays. That's not actually... I'm not sure what happened there. I think my pocket shut off the camera. Anyway, so we are at the entertainment center and we're going to go back. Actually, I'm going to take you upstairs first. I mentioned the steps, which I really like. Here is your upstairs bathroom, and I hear a train. I'm so excited. Okay, not really. You have the nice seat in the bathroom, solid surface countertops. The plumbing, again, I found no flex lines. Little storage, and then again soft close and their proper cabinets. You have the shower with the step. The one bummer in here, which is an easy fix, the worthless Ford fans, but that's okay. Well, it's not okay, but oh, it's the me roar. Ha! That joke is getting old. Okay, upstairs bedroom really is spacious. You have your washer dryer in here, washer dryer hookups in here, and a big closet with the shelves inside. And then the hanging racks go front to back. You have these cubbies, and you could put little totes in there. Now, one issue, there's no nightstands. Although you could argue that there's these shelves by the bed, and that could be your nightstand. And there is a household and USB power there. And then there's a floor vent and a space for shoes. So if you want to cook your shoes, there you go. Nice, nice. And we have chest of drawers here, up here. Drawers are nicely finished also. And you could put a TV. Okay, let's go see the back bedroom, because this is actually a 2-bedroom fifth wheel. This is like a TARDIS room, because you don't really realize how big this room is. Now, of course, a little bit of a bummer is that it's a pocket bed. So, you know, if you're sleeping over there, oh, I don't have the finger. Hang on. So, back to this. If you're sleeping over there, it's, you know, you have to get in. Another thing, look, there's a projector and a really big window. And nice day-night shades, but then there's your screen. So if you want to watch something. And then household and USB outlets here. And you have some storage, including little totes. A little bit of storage. And then there's a desk. Type of shindiggity. And upstairs, the robes quarters. You have your upstairs bed. There is a metal ladder. Although it's not really barefoot friendly, but that's okay. Yeah, so you have your bed up here. And then metal don't fall on your grandparents thing. Did I show you the guest bathroom? I don't think I did. So you have a full-on guest bathroom that somebody has walked in. But this is really tall people friendly. It is a plastic toilet. And you have your itty-bitty vent fan. But again, those are easy swaps. So let's get another look inside. Very, very nice. And for slide access, you could get to the upstairs bedroom easily. There you go.
So what did you think of this world premiere of the Forest River Crusader 2SUITE? Did you think it was just too sweet or just right or what? Anyway, we have the full written review linked in the show notes below. And we also have discounts, deals, helpful tips, a weekly RV and travel podcast, and so much more at our home on the web at Stressless Camping. I really appreciate your being here. Hopefully you got something out of this video. And of course, likes and comments are always appreciated. YouTube loves that. And with that, thank you so much. And most of all, stressless camping.